Hi, I'm Jennifer Thompson,
And I'm Leslie Cronin. We're with the Gary C. Johnson Law Firm.
and we'd like to talk to you today about products liability cases.
You may be wondering what a product liability case is. At times, when you are injured by the use of a product, whether it's a medical device, a pharmaceutical, or another product such as a car, you have the right to bring a claim for compensation for your injuries against the person who made that product.
A product's liability claim can be brought against the maker or the manufacturer of a product or someone in the supply chain distribution that created a product that caused injury to one person or a large number of people.
There are several types of product liability claims. One of those is a design defect claim. A design defect is when the manufacturer designs a product that is inherently dangerous. There are risks involved with that product that are preventable and unnecessary. For instance, everyone remembers the Ford Pinto was designed improperly so that when individuals unfortunately got in an accident, the gas tank would explode. Those vehicles and that design is no longer available.
Another way to bring a product's liability claim is through a manufacturing defect. And different from what Leslie just described, in those situations, the design of a product oftentimes can be perfectly safe from the get-go, but something happens along the way, an unintentional problem that causes the manufacturing defect to occur and making a product unsafe. A component part along the manufacturing assembly line could break or fracture. An ingredient into a pharmaceutical drug could become contaminated and cause the drug to be disseminated in an unsafe fashion or the product to be marketed in an unsafe fashion.
Another type of product liability claim is the marketing defect, and that involves the manufacturer's failure to warn about risks with the product or provide adequate instructions so that the user can avoid injury. One example of a marketing defect would be with the Juul e-cigarette. The makers of the Juul e-cigarette marketed that product to young children, young adults, and said it was safer than smoking. But as we've seen, what has come out is that there actually is an increased risk for people to develop lung problems, and especially now with the COVID-19 situation, people who use the Juul product or any e-cigarette are more likely to develop COVID-19 and problems with their respiratory system related to that.
In deciding when to pursue a product's liability claim, you have to first determine whether or not you've been injured by a product that you believe to be defective. And if that is the case, one of the most important things that you need to do immediately is to preserve the product that you believe caused the harm.
The other most important thing you can do is contact a law firm with experience in handling these types of cases. At the Gary C. Johnson Law Firm, we handle product liability cases all the time. We have sued almost every car manufacturer, multiple medical device manufacturers, pharmaceutical manufacturers, all in an effort to gain compensation for our clients who were victims of unsafe products.
One of the things that's very important when choosing a law firm to go with is you need to have a law firm that can handle taking on a large corporation and also that has the resources to do so.
At the Gary C. Johnson Law Firm, we offer you a free consultation. Any work we do is on a contingency basis. We don't get paid unless we recover for you. Feel free to call us. We will sit down and talk with you about your legal options.